Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The name still remains Sidako. Today we are looking at 8 Android settings that you need to turn off. 8 Android settings that you need to turn off right now. Stick and stay, I'll be back for more. Welcome back guys. Now these settings I talked about will actually help you to reduce your battery drain, speed up your phone, and also secure your phone's security. Don't skip any of the steps. Make sure you follow me through these steps in order to turn these 8 settings that I'm going to show you. Now, number 1, you choose which apps that can run in the background. You know, there are certain apps that run on the background that really drain your battery. So if you have these particular settings on, you need to turn it off. Now you follow me through this guide. Just go to settings, and when you get to settings, you go to where we call about phone. So you go to my phone or about phone, and if you don't have a developer option or settings on your phone, click on the build number about 6 to 7 times, and then you'll be a developer. I am already a developer, so I'll go to system and I'll go to developer options. Now when you get to developer options, scroll down to a section we call apps, and when you get to apps, you tap on background check. So you scroll down. Yes, so we have background check here. Click on background check. Now you realize that any particular app that you see there which has a time underneath, make sure you turn that off. So I will just go by turning this one off. Good. So this actually help you to reduce your battery drain or control your battery drain, and also help you to control your data as well. Now let's move on. Number 2, all that you need to do is turn off your nearby devices scanning. Now this option in Android settings actually help you to scan devices which are close to you via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and you know Bluetooth or Wi-Fi drains battery a lot. So you need to turn off these particular settings. If you are not actually using it, why then must it be on? So you just need to turn off this particular setting. So all that you need to do is still on settings, go to more connections, or you can on your phone you can get it from connections. So I'll tap on more connections and look for what we call nearby devices. I have nearby share, so I'll tap on it. You realize that it is on. So all that you need to do is make sure you turn it off. Now it says that the device location settings needs to be on for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi detecting nearby devices. So anytime that you want to connect any nearby devices, just turn it on and then you are good to go. But it shouldn't be on because it's just going to drain your battery life. Number 3, make sure you turn off install unknown apps. Now we have several options on Android which helps you to install apps from other sources, being it on the internet, being it on any other app apart from Google Play. Now they have structured or made the phone in such a way that whenever you install other apps from sources that are not known, the phone actually tries to trigger out and put a red flag on such apps. So in order to control this, you must turn off your phone settings in order not to install apps from places that are not secured. That is how I put it. So all that you need to do is go to settings and go to your app management. So I have mine here, app management. Some of you might get yours as settings or apps. So I'll tap on app management and I'll go to special app access. So you go to special app access, and then you scroll down to what you call install unknown apps. This is where it is. Just tap on it and you see so many apps. Every single app you installed on your phone is here. So under the apps that you have, we have not allowed, not allowed, not allowed. Now the not allowed means that this has blocked your phone from, or this app has blocked your phone from installing information from other sources or unknown sources. So the ones that are allowed, make sure you turn it to not allowed. So if you look at Google Chrome has allowed to to install from other sources, so I'll turn it off. Then I'll go through the apps and see files here is allowed, so I'll turn it off. And then GB WhatsApp has also allowed the settings, I'll turn it off. So in this case, the moment you turn all these off, before you can install an app apart from Google Play, it will ask you this permission whether you should turn it on or not, and this will help you to protect your phone from hackers and etc. And it can also reduce or control your battery drain rate, which will help you to have a very long lasting battery life. Now, number 4, restrict background data for specific apps. This also helps to block background data usage for some apps. You have to block some of the apps from running on your mobile phone. It really drains your battery, even if you have turned off your phone or you have your phone placed somewhere whilst you are not using it. There are certain apps that run at the background, so these settings must be off. All that you need to do is go to your settings, still on settings, and make sure you go to app management as well. When you get to app management, you pick up one of the apps. So under the app management, you go to app settings, and then you click on any of the app. If I should select this Bible app, then you go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. You realize that the background data here is on, which means that this device, King James Bible, can run at the background. You understand? So I'll turn it off, and then I'll go back and pick another app here, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn it off. In this case, I have disabled the app from running at the background, as well as also using my data, which I have not even opened the app. Then I'll go to this gallery app, the same thing, I'll turn it off. So you need to go through all your files or all your apps and turn off the background data, which will help you to manage your battery life as well as your data. Number 5, you turn off usage and diagnostic information. Now, these are information sent to Google or developers on background when you are not using your phone. So your phone should be able to send information to Google or developers even when you are not even using the phone. So you need to turn these settings off. So still on settings, all that you need to do is make sure you scroll down to Google or account. So I have Google here. Tap on Google, and then you click after the Google, you click on the 3 dots here on the far right hand corner. Just click on the 3 dots here, and then you see usage and diagnostics. Just tap on the usage and diagnostics. You see that it is on. So some of the information you need to send to Google, but for now this must be what? It must be off. So you turn it off to save your Android and to also prevent it from doing unexpected things. Number 6, you turn off improve accuracy. Now, this uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which of course drain a lot of battery. Go to settings, look for location. You can even search it in your settings. So I'll just search here, and I will enter location here. In this case, I will get it very quickly. So location here, just tap on location, and when you tap on location, you have Google location accuracies here. So improve location accuracy, turn this also off because you don't need it, you're not using it. You can turn it on again at the moment that you want to use the phone. So this also must be off in order to keep your battery lasting and all that. Number 7, you turn off Google location history. You turn off Google location history. This also saves a long list of places you have been to and occupied space on your phone. There are so many locations that you have attended using Google Maps, and this particular section of the app saves that location for you. So will actually attack you by installing apps from unknown sources. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe if you are new here to my channel, because I have a lot of videos coming up for you. And guys, thank you for watching this episode. See you in the next episode. I'm out.